Okay, here we are at Khao San Road at night.
Khaosan.
So this
We are
is
at
the
Khao San
night
Road
of Khao
in the
San
morning.
Road.
So this is Khao San
Okay,
Road
come
in the
here.
morning. Bakit? How much is that?
100 baht.
Is that a toy or a food? Food?
Yeah.
Kino.
How they set up it here? The whole road at night. So let's come back tonight here. Oh. So wala to. But it's still open. Mga lasing. Lasing na. Philippines.
What do you do today?
Just walking around.
Weekend, you not all to see a floating market. Because they open only the weekend morning.
Where?
Have a look, do not mind, don't worry about that.
It's okay.
This one, the floating market, you heard that before?
Where is that?
They have two floating market, the small floating market in Bangkok, the big floating market outside of Bangkok. If the small one, I charge you 100 baht all together. If the big one, I charge you 500 baht, go and come back. And what you can see the train market, you can see the temple, you can do the
No, we've been here.
You been that? But you not been the floating market?
No, we didn't.
It's not so far. About 10 minutes together, 20 minutes together.
Oh, it's okay.
Okay.
Thank you. Maligap. Of course, they started to do. Because Alvin, this one is all bars. Here, let's look at them. This is Khao San Road in the morning. So maybe we will come back at night to see more actions. Okay, bye-bye. See, we are at Khao San Road, very clear in the morning. But we will come back at night to see how does it looks like tonight. Okay, see you later. Bye bye. Sangtong. So there's a should see this. It's a wishing well. Yeah. are some there. There are some.